is how I play the game! Oh my god! What the fuck?
Holy shit! That is an epic fucking intro, dude. And I have to warn everyone. Warning. What you may see right now is going to be absolutely disgusting. Sound good?
Sounds good to me.
So, I mean, it's been almost a year I've been using the stick, and I'm still having these issues where I can't block on reaction. I try to drive rush and it sticks, right? I think it's the joystick. And it sucks because I don't want to admit that this is an expensive joystick, okay? But what I think I'm going to attempt to do is swap out the parts. So how do you do that? Well, I have to take out all of these screws, all of them, remove the rubberized bottom of the joystick, and then disassemble the parts inside. Now, I don't know what the stick is like on the inside, alright? I don't know if they've hard soldered stuff on there. If they did, then I'm screwed. If all the stuff is hard soldered on, then I can't change out parts, okay? Now, you might say, well, what do you mean change out parts? How are you going to change the parts out on the joystick? Well, so this stick should be easily swappable. Now, here's the difference. This joystick, watch this. This stick is literally made to be opened and modded. It's designed that way. See? So now I can easily remove the 4 screws that hold this joystick in place, unplug it from right here, remove the joystick from the stick. You know, what I need to do is take off the ball top. So I need to put my screwdriver in there, remove the ball top, and then just carry this joystick over to my Kanba. It's actually a Hori joystick. It's branded Hori right on it. It's meant to be a Hori joystick. It says right on it. So this part should be easy. Like, this literally shouldn't be any trouble to get this out. The problem is going to be when I open up my Kanba joystick to see what it's like inside there, and if anything's soldered, I'm done. The ideal state is that it's these click-on, removable wires. You just pop them out and plug them back in, and the buttons are pop in, pop out. So they should be easy to just pop in, pop out, no big deal. But if they've soldered everything on instead of these clips, then I'm completely screwed. Alright? So,
You know, I'm a simple guy. I'm a gamer. I'm not a techie. I'm not a fucking guy that knows all the ins and outs of this shit. You're like talking to a lay person. You're talking to a gamer. You're not talking to an editor. You're not talking to a PC, builder. You're not talking to a techie guy. You're talking to a guy who just wants to sit down, press record, play a game, and have fun. Right?
what I want to do is, yes, I want to swap over both just this joystick and these buttons from this stick to my Kanba. When do I want to do this? Thursday morning on the podcast. Like, I want that to be the podcast. We take like an hour to do it. Okay? And then we interact while I do it. We talk while we do it, and you can actually see me do it live. A lot of people might find that fascinating. Wow, it's like a tech session, right? Where Phil's going to be swapping parts and stuff. So, I think that's what we're going to be doing Thursday morning. Is it? No, is this it? Ah, here it is. So, flathead screwdriver, alright? Has to go into the actual joystick portion to hold it, and then I have to unscrew the ball top. I probably should have done this first before I took the screws off, honestly. But of course, I haven't done this in 100 years. So I'm unscrewing the ball top from the back. There it is. Ball top. I removed the 2 plastic pieces from the top of the joystick as well. And now, it literally just pops out. See? So now, it's easier for me to unplug.
Yeah. They poorly designed this joystick. Here. Close. See, take a look. Here's the connector. It's touching the button. You're essentially smashing the wires of the joystick into the button to get it to align. Like, I think I could brute force it, but I might damage this wire connector in the process. I like how you're laughing, too.
Well, it's funny.
This is not meant for mods. Yeah, like, they sold it like it was. Like, it looks like it's supposed to be. They did not use their fucking brains when they made this joystick at all. In any way, shape, or form. This is like a brainless design. This is, like I said, this is literally one of the worst designed joysticks I've ever seen in my entire life. I've never seen one designed like this before. So, they 100% designed it poorly. This is a $300 joystick. You can't swap the stick out to any kind of stick you want. So you paid $300 for a stick. You're limited in the joysticks you use in it because they designed it poorly. How bad is that? That is insanely stupid.
There's the salt. The delicious salt.
Oh, this button's already fucked up again. It's already stuck. Oh my god. What a nightmare this is gonna be. My light kick's not gonna work. Nope. Fuck these idiots. Fuck Kanba. You fucking pieces of shit. You fucked me on your shitty-ass $300 rip-off joystick where I can't put any stick I want in it because you designed it poorly because you're a bunch of fucking idiots. You fucking losers. You scam artists. I can't believe you fucked me like this. So I can't use this. This joystick's fucked up now. Yeah. I have a crooked light kick. And there's nothing I can do about it. I'm always gonna have a crooked light kick now. Yeah, the light kick won't sit firmly in there. It can't. It's not even possible to sit firmly in there. So all we can do is test it. And after all this work, yeah, I'm gonna test it right now.
Oh, it is so salty.
Seems alright, though. I gotta get used to the stick. The stick's different now. It's a looser gate, so it's not... It's like, I gotta move it a little more. But I might actually get better reactions. And I didn't seem to... It wasn't sticking or anything. Right now, my problem is the button. My freaking light kick is at an angle. Yeah, my light kick is sticking up out of the joystick at an angle, and I gotta get used to that. I just hope it doesn't break the stick here, but... I think eventually I'm gonna have to get another joystick. I really do. I believe I'm just gonna have to get another one.
This is the most hinting I've ever done. I'm not hinting at anything. I'm talking with you guys. Holy crap.
I missed! You can't hit it at all? Oh shit, you can't hit it at all! Oh boy! Okay, I guess that is a problem. You can't hit it at all. Damn! Okay. So how do I kill this fucking thing? Or I have to just sneak by it? Couldn't parry? Why not? I did it. I swear to God I pressed the trigger. I swear to God I pressed it. 100% I pressed it. With delayed timing that time so that I could do it timed right, and it fucking still didn't work. I don't know.
Spread my legs here for... Spread my legs? Whoa.
I didn't do that. I tried. It got stuck. You notice I was passing right through him, but he, of course, hit me with his fucking kick. But my ginormous maces are just flailing through him and not hitting him at all. It's that top-tier FromSoft gameplay that we come to know and love. It is tough. Wasn't able to stagger him as of yet. Try again. Interesting.
I want to feast.
Interrupts. He interrupts my jump. My poise is useless in the fight. I'm trying to jump, not roll again. My poise is 100% useless in this fight. It does nothing. He just completely disregards poise and just hits you out of it anyway. Even though I have giant poise, he's just knocking me down. Maybe I should go do the shield build. Wow! He did instant madness. I had none. I literally had no madness. He just had instant madness. I don't know what happened. I was blocking. It's doing well, but I was blocking. All of a sudden, he just killed me anyway.
Oh my god, he's drinking toxic toilet juice.
I can't heal. I rolled! Yo, this is bullshit. I'm only getting hit, the fucking roll's not working. I'm holding shield! What is going on? It wouldn't block. Come on. I had stamina and everything. I'm getting hit because it's not doing what I'm doing. I just want to block, and then I want to try to heal. Instead, it blocks, and then if it doesn't do the next input. Or it does the second input, but not the first. It literally, he wouldn't block at the end there. I was holding L1 the whole time like this. He wouldn't block a single attack. He just got hit by everything. Why? Gone. Good shit. Remembrance of the Lord of Frenzied Flame. That's the advantage of having multiple builds, because if I just had the double hammers, that would have been way harder, but okay.
I love the cheese. I cheated and it worked. I received a $47.50 tip. I've never run into this thing before. What is it, a money creature? Yeah, look, it's a money creature. It just throws money around. What the hell was that? Okay, to answer some people's questions here, as you can see, the schedule that Nightbot has is outdated. That's yesterday's schedule. Yes, there's a night stream tonight, 6:45 p.m. Pacific time. It is Stardew Valley, a chill Stardew Valley late night stream that I hope you guys can hang out with me. There's still this back here. And it's still in the back of my neck, the back of my head, the back of my mind, and it's always telling me it's WWE Champions time. I love it. I love it. Is a mobile game addict. Phil has indoctrinated children who send him money, blatantly milking for money. It's a money pit. It's gone, just gone like that. In an instant, fucking gone. I just care about money. That I just can't help it. I eBay. Contributions are mandatory, but I need your help. I am appealing directly to you. No decency, no respect, no common sense, no fucking maturity. Is the guy who just doesn't get reality.